So in this question, we are given to prove that the left-hand side is equal to 2 cosec theta. So let us obtain the proof. We are given that root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta plus root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cosec theta. So recall first that from solve, if I have root of a divided by b, this can be expressed as root a divided by root b. Thus, I will have this to become root of 1 plus cos theta divided by root of 1 minus cos theta plus root of 1 minus cos theta divided by root of 1 plus cos theta will be equal to 2 cosec theta. Now, looking at the left-hand side, we can take LCM. Now, the LCM will be the product of the two denominators. So, therefore, for LCM, we have that this becomes root of 1 minus cos theta multiplied by root of 1 plus cos theta. So the LCM divided by the denominator at this point will be left with root of 1 plus cos theta, and this expression here multiplied by numerator here, we have that this becomes root of 1 plus cos theta multiplied by root of 1 plus cos theta, and plus also the LCM divided by root of 1 plus cos theta will be left with root of 1 minus cos theta multiplied by root of 1 minus cos theta. Also, from solve, we know that if I have root of a times root of b, this can be expressed as root of ab. So therefore, from the numerator, we have that this becomes root of 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta, plus also we have at this point root of 1 minus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta, and then divide by, also the denominator becomes root of 1 minus cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta. Now, if you observe, the denominator is a difference of 2 squared. So at this point, the numerator becomes root of 1 plus cos theta all squared plus root of 1 minus cos theta all squared, all divided by, at this point, we have that this is root of 1 minus cos squared theta. This expression here is a difference of 2 squared. First, we know that square will cancel out root and square will cancel out root. Also, from trig identity, we know that sine theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos squared theta. So we have the numerator to become 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta, all divided by sine theta. And don't forget that we have to show that the left-hand side is equal to 2 cosec theta. Now, if you look at the numerator, cos theta will cancel out minus cos theta. So therefore, we'll be left with 2 divided by sine theta, which is equal to 2 cosec theta. Now, the left-hand side can be expressed as 2 times 1 divided by sine theta, which is equal to 2 cosec theta. And we know that the reciprocal of sine is given as cosec theta. So it has been shown that the left-hand side, which has reduced to 2 cosec theta, is equal to the right-hand side, which is 2 cosec theta. Thank you so much for watching, and I believe you have found the video helpful. Please encourage us by subscribing to our channel for us to reach more audience, and please like our video, and I wish you a happy learning journey. Bye.